never imagined that I would be on a billboard in Times Square.
Hey, we're in Times Square. I've been running around all day. It's been crazy, but it's been fun and it's been adventurous. Hey everybody, I was recently in New York and I wanted to share my experience filming in Times Square. So I had a client that reached out to me and she wanted to film in Times Square because she had a billboard showing. Immediately I said yes and flew out to New York. So in this video, you're gonna get my experience and a little bit of behind the scenes on how I filmed with her. Check it out. All right, so what was happening right here is I just got off the plane from Orlando to New York and I went immediately to Times Square, unpacked all my equipment, set up my gimbal, and we were off to go. This was her first appearance on the billboard, so we wanted to make sure we could capture that.
So Sarah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna punch in slowly, and then I guess you could look at it. I mean, you've already done a lot of poses, so it's up to you. You want to look at the camera, maybe?
I'm gonna do the vlog.
Okay.
I was kind of coaching her through how to do it, and then we shot it.
I would say do something, Sarah, do something that you'd want to see on like your keynote speaker reel, right? Let's do that.
So that's what we did. We captured her first appearance on the billboard.
All right, that's it.
All right, and then immediately after that, I wanted to film some B-roll, get some really good rollers of her walking through Times Square. So that's what we did here.
3, 2, 1. A little slower. Okay, a little slower, a little slower. All right, stop right there. Awesome.
Immediately after that, we went ahead and filmed some interviews with some strangers in Times Square, asking them what their biggest challenge was.
What is your biggest challenge right now in life or in business?
Oh, that's a good question.
Me and Sarah had this idea after noticing that it's a big trend going on right now. So we did a couple of those. They came out awesome. This first interview was great. He was with a fellow photographer. He also went ahead and took some photos of her and us. You can see me running in right here to get the photo.
And then you.
Right here.
So real quick, this guy was pretty interesting. He was asking about my camera. Wasn't sure what he was trying to get at, but I'll show the clip here because it's interesting. Shout out to Pablo.
That's a more good, more.
For video, yeah. But Nikon takes really good photos.
That's it for video?
For video, yeah, for video.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fun. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Pablo.
Pablo? Tyler.
Pablo. That's a
Right over there.
Jorge.
Jorge? Nice to meet you, Jorge.
Él dice que ese
Tyler.
para video. Ese es Sony.
Yeah, video camera, yeah.
All right, this was a fun one. He had a pet parrot on his shoulder. This guy was awesome. He wanted to start his own zoo, so we went ahead and interviewed him and interviewed the parrot as well.
Can I ask the parrot a question? Really? What is your biggest challenge in life right now?
Just being green.
So right here's a prime example of what I do with a lot of my clients is I will coach them through exactly what to say, give them some ideas, not give them exact specific things to say, but coach them into bringing out their best. So this is what we did right here with Sarah before her next billboard showing.
Just talk about the meaning of it being in Times Square to you personally. I feel like people will connect with that really well. To be like, when I was 20 years old, I never thought I'd be in Times Square.
Oh, that's a great
Maybe like something that really connects to people, like very emotional sense, you know. I think you'll figure out something really good to say.
I never imagined that I would be on a billboard in Times Square where there are cultures from what other company was it?
So that's it for the interviews. It's now time to enjoy New York City just a little bit for myself. So I ran my way over to The Edge in New York City, which was this crazy building about 13 to 1,200 feet above the city. And glass was the only thing keeping you from falling off. It was crazy, crazy windy that day. I don't know what was up with that, but you could see in the footage how crazy windy it was. And we just chilled there for a couple hours and enjoyed the view.
Do not stand on the staircase. Do not stand on the stairs.
Okay, I won't stand on the staircase next time. Then we quickly had to make it back to Times Square because we wanted to shoot one of the Billboard showings at night. We had a little bit of time to kill, so I went ahead and walked around Times Square a bit and captured some fun shots. Hey, we're in Times Square. Check it out. All kinds of interesting people in Times Square. Filming has been really fun in Times Square, especially at night. At night looks crazy. One of these billboards, I'm gonna be on it one day. This will be manifesting it right now. Yeah, probably a movie that I make. Sounds about right. Then she finally arrived and we filmed her last Billboard showing. The shoot went perfect. We wrapped, and immediately after this, I was on a flight back home. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video. I'm definitely going to do a couple more in the future of breaking down how I shot with my clients, how I